In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how you use the Properties Quick Filter feature in the Properties database. Let's click into Properties over on the left-hand side, and this will show you all of the property records that you have access to in your Properties database. We can see here we have the quick filters, and this will show you the main property statuses that you have available to you in your Properties database. You can see that this is in the order of the property lifecycle, starting with our potentials, appraisals, listings, exchange. If you had properties that were settled, it would say settled below here and tell you how many they have. Next to each one is the number of records that are in each one of these statuses. So if I wanted to just find my listed properties, I could select that, and we can see it is showing my 6 properties. To clear this filter, we can use the drop-down option to clear that selected filter and go back to all of our properties. If you're wanting to say find your future sellers, which would be a mixture of potentials and appraisals, you can select the quick filter and combine multiple statuses. So we'll select potential, which gives me 2, and we'll then select my appraise, which gives me another 3. So in total we have 5 properties. Now that you have a group of property records, at any point you want to market to them through email, SMS or letter, you'll be able to use the send function located at the right to choose which way you want to market to them and complete that piece of marketing. Remember, to clear the filters over on the right hand side, you simply need to use the filter apply drop down, delete the options that you've applied, and it will reset your database back to the start.